P Marsh and Partners PLC. I've just bought some shares in them. That was all the cash I had available, 538.55. No, the total was 548.30. That's all the cash I had available. So I've now bought 222 shares. The reason I bought some shares in this company, it's a UK-based company, and I'll just quickly. I've been aware of them for a long time, and I just looking at the valuation, price to earnings ratio versus the market. The PE ratio of P Marsh and Partners is 6.85, which means that it's trading at a less expensive PE ratio than the market average, which is 18.35. And the price to earnings ratio versus the sector, 685, and it's 9.95. So that's a good sign. The price to book value, per share ratio has a ratio of 0.65. Ratios below 1 indicate that a company could be undervalued with respect to its assets and liabilities. So looking at that, everything is looking in the right direction. Now, if I look here, give you a brief description of what the company does. P Marsh and Partners PLC is a private equity and venture capital firm specialising in investments in early stage developmental capital acquisition, capital startups, management buyouts, management buy-ins, and hive-offs. The firm does not invest in insurance companies or businesses exposed to principal risk. It prefers to invest in the financial services sector with focus on insurance intermediaries, asset managers, independent financial advisors, and professional consultants. The firm prefers to invest in United Kingdom, Europe, North America, Australasia, and occasionally elsewhere. It typically invests from £0.5 million and invests up to £5 million. The firm makes equity investments and is able to provide debt funding, which is in addition to and not instead of an equity investment. It takes minority stakes ranging from 20% to 40% and prefers to exit its investments through a trade sale or an IPO. The firm insists to appoint a non-executive board of directors in its portfolio companies and also make follow-on investments. P Marsh and Partners PLC was founded in 1990 and is based in London, United Kingdom. So that's the company, and I also I looked on the AJ Bell shares review site. It's like a magazine which is published exclusively to people who hold a shares on the AJ Bell platform. You have to pay for this, and they were recommended as a buy. So, and also, as I said previously, I'm aware of the company. So all in all, we've made an investment in a UK-based company and look to make a nice return.